These are some ancient books and authors that were asked in UPSC IAS prelims. These are repeated questions. Let's see how you can benefit from previous year questions. This one asked in 1986. Which of the following is wrongly matched? Abul Fazal Babarnama, Kalhana Rastarangini, Muhammad Jaisi Padmavat, Abdul Hamid Badshah Nama. So Abul Fazal has written Akbarnama, not Babarnama. Babarnama is written by Babar. Kalhana Rastarangini, this pair is correct. This one is correct and this one is correct. Answer is A. Abul Fazal is wrongly matched. Now in this question you know 3 authors and their text. Write them down. It will help you in the next question. Asked in 1987 prelims, which of the following pairs is correct? Surdas Sahitya Lahari, Somesgara Charu Chintamani, Kalhana Ashtadhyayi, Satyanarayan Mahabharata. So Chintamani is written by Merutanga. Kalhana we learnt in the previous question. It is Rajtarangini, not Ashtadhyayi. Now your work is to find who has written Ashtadhyayi. Ashtadhyayi is written by Panini. Mahabharata is written by Vyasa. This is how you have to solve the previous year question. Then only it will help you in the exam. If you want to solve all previous year question from 1979 till 2023, there is a compilation. Link will be in the description. You can buy from there. Next question asked in 1990. Which one of the following pairs is correctly matched? Bhaskaracharya, Ashtang Sangraha, Bhatti, Shishupal Vadh, Hemachandra, Kathasarit Sagar, Sri Harsha, Naishad Charita. So the pair which is correctly matched is Sri Harsha, Naishad Charitra. Kathasarit Sagar is written by Somdev. Shishupal Vadh is written by Magha. And Ashtang Sangraha is written by Vagbhatta. Again you know 3 more important texts that have been asked in UPSC IAS prelims and their writers. Note them down. Make it a note. It will help you in next question. Who among the following was not a writer of legal text? Asked in 1990. Yagvalkya, Manu, Narada, Bharvi. Answer is C. Narada. Next asked in 1991. Kalhana's Rajtarangini, again repeated question, contains a collection of stories preaching morals, the history of the dynasties of Kashmir, the history of early Muslim rule in India, an account of the early Indian voyages. Answer is the history of the dynasties of Kashmir. Also focus on the main theme of these books because UPSC asks questions on that also. And these questions are repeated in state level exams, NDA, CDS, CAPFs. So you must solve these questions. Next asked in 1997. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer using the quotes given below. List 1 author and list 2 is text. Varahamihir, Vishak Datta, Sudraka, Bilhana, Vikram Deva. Prabandha Chintamani, Mrichaka Katikam, Brihat Samhita, Devi Chandraguptam. So Varahamihir has written Brihat Samhita. Vishak Datta, Devi Chandraguptam. Sudraka, Mrichak Katikam. And Bilhana, Vikram Dev Charita. So answer will be A3, B4, C2, D5. Answer is B. Again, you have now 4 texts and 4 authors. And how this question was repeated next year. This one was asked in 1998. Which of the following pairs are currently matched? Mrichakatikam, Sudraka, Buddha Charita, Vasubandhu, Mudra Rakshasa, Vishakadatta, Harshcharita, Ban Bhatt. Select the correct answer using the quotes given below. So Sudraka, Mrichakatikam. This one is correct. Buddha Charita is by Ashwaghosh. So this is not correct. Now you must search about Vasubandhu also. He was also a Buddhist scholar, Buddhist monk who has written commentary on Abhidhamma. So do find about Vasubandhu. Next is Mudra Rakshasa, Vishakdatta. This is correct. Harshcharita, Ban Bhatt. This is also correct. So the pair correctly matched are 1, 3 and 4. For such topics, previous year questions are gold mines because you won't find these questions or these chapters specifically in your NCERT. You have to find number of books for making notes on these topics. Therefore, previous year question will help you collect important books and their authors, make note, also find about wrong options and revise them. And for more such videos, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.